When a stone is thrown on water, after that it will form circle-like wave. These waves are formed in all directions. The number of concentric circles keeps on propagating in all directions. All the points of a concentric circles make a wavefront. It is the source of a secondary wavelet, that is, small wave which spread out in all directions with the speed of the wave. When the first circle of wave forms after throwing the stone, this circle is a wavefront. Secondary wavelets are formed from all these points of the circle. A new or next circle will be formed covering all the secondary wavelets. From this secondary wavefront, again small waves will make another secondary wavefront and so on. So in this way, secondary wavefront forms concentric circles that are forming as a wave propagating. This is the Huygens principle. Shape of the wavefront at later time. Stone is throwing over a water at a certain point. It is the point of disturbance when if we see from top. The above picture is the wave or concentric circle will form as a repulse. If a fish was present at the center of the concentric circle, it will see the wave as below. It forms like crest and turf. At time t equal to 0, a stone is thrown and disturbance created and wavefront generated. For each point of wavefront, secondary wavelets generated. Common tangent of secondary wavelets makes a sphere. At time t, the secondary wavefront generated and propagation starts. If a normal is drawn to all the spheres, we get a common tangent. Similarly, the common tangent of secondary wavelets, they are again a form of wavefront. Hence, as time increases, concentric wavefronts are getting generated. The steps are: first, disturbance created. Disturbance generates wavefront. Secondary wavelets formed. Tangent of secondary wavelets again formed wavefront, and so on.